Bonjour à tous, hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back, fellow adventure seekers. But this time, it is not about those cinematic travel videos. This is more of a nerdy topic, camera gear comparison. Now, if you are someone who comes to the channel to experience those wonderful nature and not interested about camera gears, you can already skip. I have got my hand into this shiny DJI Mavic 4 Pro and would like to compare it with my existing Mavic 3 Pro. There are already so many videos out there in internet comparing those drones, so why do I have to make yet another comparison? Because I have some particular problem statements that I really like to see how these new drones perform with. I have not found anybody tested those. Most of those so-called YouTuber influencers, they are doing fancy unboxing, cinematic sequences, taking pictures of the chart, reading out the specs. I'm sorry, I'm not going to do any of those things because they are not really useful in real life. Now, before I start doing a testing, let's see what those problem statements are. And I have to do that quickly because I have to return this new one in 14 days if I don't like it. So let's jump straight into it. And I came to our local vineyard, which is my favorite drone testing location. Normally, the Mavic 4 Pro can capture 5K video that can be downsampled to 4K to get a sharper image quality. However, none of the tracking functions work on 5K. I need to reduce the resolution to 4K every time I need to do tracking, which is a waste of time as well as compromise of quality. Next problem is no 422 comma subsampling while tracking. The Mavic 3 Pro Cine and Mavic 3 Cine have the same problems, where only ProRes formats record 422 comma subsampling. None of the intelligent features support ProRes, so only 420 when I'm tracking. It is alright in better lighting conditions, but struggles when the light gets tricky. I use Canon R5 or R5C for most of my videos. They do subsampling from 8K image to the 4K timeline. So there are certain qualities that I get from those footages. Now, it's quite important that from drone I can do some kind of subsampling. It's not that much of a big deal, but it just changes the quality of the image. None of that can be possible using the Mavic 3 Pro. Is that a deal breaker? No. But when you see it in a big screen, you kind of understand that. Even though most of the common viewers will not find a difference, but on the vision of a creator, you find that difference anyway. Now let's see if the Mavic 4 Pro addresses those challenges or not. In 6K30, I can use all the intelligent features. The tracking looks smooth. Now let's look at comma subsampling. The tracked videos are all having 422 comma subsampling as well. Right, so what's the conclusion? Now before getting to the conclusion, let's talk about a couple of other things. This drone is also amazing for photography. I did not compare it because there are a lot of comparisons available on open internet. On top of that, I don't do that much of drone photography. Probably I should, but I don't, maybe in future. So I didn't compare that piece. There is a big part of vertical video as well, which I don't personally like that much. I feel landscape is much better when you are photographing it horizontally. So I didn't compare that either. So that's also a good feature for many people. But one thing that I did not compare but did experience was when I was at this place. As you can see, the light is pretty dim, but amazing. And that 2.0 aperture of the Mavic 4 Pro really makes a huge difference. My colleague was there with Mavic 4 Pro, and I could clearly see the difference in his videos compared to mine, which had one stop higher ISO. Mavic 4 Pro also has a better obstacle avoidance because of all those cameras that they fit into that. In this case, my drone was operating without any obstacle avoidance. Everything was switched off because of low light, whereas the Mavic 4 Pro was all guns blazing with full obstacle avoidance near the glacier. As a conclusion, I'm going to keep this drone, and DJI, you have made an amazing product. I hope that it was useful and this will help you with your purchase decision. If it was useful, please give a thumbs up. That really means a lot to me. And if you have not done it already, please subscribe and press that bell icon to get notification of my upcoming adventures. So ciao for now and see you soon. Till then, keep exploring.